Toopy and Binoo is made possible in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by the U.S. Department of Education and by the National Science Foundation and by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations and by the JFFVC Workshop Foundation and by the Annenberg Foundation and by the Ford Foundation and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Toopy Toopy, Binoo Binoo. Toopy Toopy, Binoo Binoo Binoo. Toopy Toopy, Binoo Binoo. Toopy and Binoo. Toop 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 toop, Toopy and Binoo.
Toopy, that's me! And here's my friend Binoo.
Toopy Binoo.
We love to laugh, we love to play. That's us, Toopy and Binoo. Boinga, 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 boinga. Look at this. It's the bounciest ball ever. Binoo, a boo-boo. Stay calm. It's gonna be all right. I'll get the doctor. Stay right where you are. Doctor is coming. Doctor is coming. Nee-noo, nee-noo, nee-noo. Oh, don't worry, little friend. Let's have a look at that boo-boo. I think I have just what you need. Ah, the amazing Boo Boo Be Gone. With this, you're gonna feel all better. Do you? Do you? Oh, yes. I forgot. Oh, let's make you comfy-wumpy. Now, come over here, my little friend. There. You'll be all warmed up in no time. Do you need something else? A boat, a spoon, a shoe? Hey, I know what will cheer you up. It should be right in here. Woohoo! Look what I have. It's Mrs. Happy Robot. Just turn this thingy and look. She's having a party by herself. She's the best robot dancer in the whole wide world. I think there's a problem here. Hey, Mrs. Robot, are you all right? I don't know, Binoo. She doesn't answer. You're right. Mrs. Robot got a boo-boo, too. We better take her to the hospital. We need an ambulance. Don't move, Mrs. Robot. We'll take care of everything. To the hospital. Nee-noo, nee-noo, nee-noo. Nee-noo, 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 nee-noo. Gently. You take the feet, I'll take her head. Up on the table. Thank you, ambulance. Everything's gonna be fine, Mrs. Robot. Robot examination light, please. Thank you. Now let's see. Ooh, eyes are so shiny. That's good. And what do we have here? Can you hear me, Mrs. Robot? I guess not. Better look inside. Yoo-hoo! Anybody home? Nothing down there. It's more serious than I thought. I better listen to her heart. It's all right, Mrs. Robot. It won't hurt. Wow! Wow! That's a big boo-boo. I think we'll need my doctor box. Thank you. Oh, yes! A fabulous Boo-Boo Be Gone. With one of these, boo-boos go away forever. That should do it. Are you feeling better now? Oh! We need more Boo-Boo Be Gone. Oh, thank you, Binoo. Just need one here, and 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 here. There you go, Mrs. Robot. All better. Sigh. Our patient doesn't seem any better, does she, Binoo? And what do you think we should do, turning the thingy. Hey, it works! She's moving! And she's feeling better. Oh, you're fabulous, Binoo. You really are the greatest doctor in the whole wide world. Ooh, ooh, Binoo, I have a boo-boo. See, on my finger, if you look closer, you can see that it's a bit red. Well, not on this side, but if I turn my finger... Hey, hi again, Mrs. Happy Robot. Binoo, what are you... Oh, that's so nice. Ah, thank you, Dr. Binoo. Oh, come over here. Oh, sorry, Binoo. It's just that I'm feeling dizzy and my forehead is a bit hot and I think I might be coming down with the sniffles. Where are you going, Binoo? Oh, right. You want me to rest. Thank you, Binoo. I think I'm thirsty. Water, that would be really good. Oh, that's so kind of you. Thanks, Binoo. Oh, Binoo, do you know what? I still feel a bit dizzy and my mouth is so far away from my glass and I'm so weakened. Huh? What a fabulous idea! Thank you again. Excuse me, Binoo. I thought everything was perfect, but actually, I'm not very comfy. Ugh. Do you have an idea? Oh, yes, you do! Is this perfect? No. I think it's still not right. What can I do? This pillow is a bit, well, it's a bit lumpy. But maybe if I close my eyes and try to forget about the lumps... Wow, Binoo, thanks! Could you hand me that one? Ooh, it feels so soft. No, too hard. Oh, maybe that one. Too squishy, I think. Those? All right, let's see. Yes, this is the one. Especially if I put another one here and... Nope, sorry. One's too soft and the other one is too big. Oh, I'll find a good way. Maybe if I put my head on this one. That looks extra comfy. Oh. Ooh, it's marvelous. I think I might be feeling a little better. How can I ever thank you? Ooh, I don't know why, but I'm cold now. The sun? Oh, that's so nice and warm. It's perfect. But the light is so strong now. Oh, this is nice. I love you so much. Binoo? Binoo? Are you still there? Binoo? Where did you go? Huh? What's that? A piano! Wow! You're gonna play? For me? Oh, to make me feel better. Oh, thanks. That's so pretty. Hey, you know what? I'm all better because of you, Binoo. I can smile again and sing and dance. Wow! Oh, poor Binoo. Let me help you. There you go. Don't move. I'll be right back. Here I am. Now I'll play your favorite song. And soon you'll feel better. You'll see.
Toopy and Binoo is made possible in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by the U.S. Department of Education and by the National Science Foundation and by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations and by the JFFVC Workshop Foundation and by the Annenberg Foundation and by the Ford Foundation and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Blah 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 blah. Doink! TV!